Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video, what I'm going to touch on is my strategy of how I'm playing the crypto market right now and what I'm going to be doing in the bull run. So guys, it's going to be a short snappy video. Just before we take a look at that, let's take a look at the market as a whole. So we can see we're up 1.9% in the last 24 hours and the top 100 seem to be doing well. Bitcoin is up 3.1%, ETH is up 2% in the last 24 hours. And just, yeah, there's a lot of green in the market. So considering there was news about FTX and FTX basically selling a shed load of tokens, but you know what I believe that was more crypto Twitter taking it out of context and yeah, creating that fear and FUD in the market. So it looks like, you know, it's a pretty good day today. I don't really feel like, you know, FTX are going to be dumping on the market tomorrow. So I think the market has now realized that, and we can see that from the price increases today. So yeah, overall pretty good day in the market. Anyways guys, so my strategy right now, what is my strategy? So my strategy right now is literally to accumulate up until the halving. So what I'm doing is I'm DCAing on projects that I believe in, you know, good, strong, solid projects with great fundamentals, good teams behind them, and a great community. Obviously guys, you know, you guys need to do your own research and make sure that you're comfortable with the projects that you're DCAing into, and you know, if that is your strategy as well. So for me, I'm DCAing into projects that I definitely believe in, and that could potentially rip come the next bull run. So my strategy right now, accumulate, DCA up until April 2024, which is the estimated time for the Bitcoin halving, for the next Bitcoin halving. So once April 2024 hits, I'm not going to be doing any more buying. Instead, what I'm going to look to do is literally look to exit out of the market, DCA my way out of the market, you know, potentially after that halving when Bitcoin looks to make new all-time highs. Because if we base it on historic events, Bitcoin always makes all-time highs after the halving event. So I'll just pull up a chart here. So you can see Bitcoin, you know, if you are holding on to Bitcoin, the last halving I believe was in May 2020. So if we go back to May 20, I'm looking at this on a monthly Bitcoin USDT, and you can see after May, that's when the market literally went parabolic. So a few months after, we were pretty much at all-time highs. We had a bit of a pullback, and then another position upwards to make new all-time highs of $69,000. So absolutely parabolic, obviously being triggered by the Bitcoin halving. So as I was saying guys, my strategy right now is I want to be accumulating, DCAing into projects that I believe in, and you know, if you're holding Bitcoin, wait for the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin generally pumps first out of all of the crypto projects. So once the halving happens, Bitcoin goes to, you know, if we're looking to follow similar cycles to the past, Bitcoin goes to new all-time highs, and generally after that the money comes out of Bitcoin and flows into altcoins. So you know, my theory is going to be look to offload my my Bitcoin as we start to increase, so DCA out of the market as we start to obviously turn parabolic, and then as money starts to flow into alts, I'm going to look to DCA out of altcoins as well, potentially looking to sell a lot of my position in crypto. And that, you know, that kind of summarizes how how I'm going to be playing the market. Because I'll be honest with you guys, I've been in the market now for a couple of bull runs, and I've seen you know, my portfolio hit massive all-time highs and so on. And then I've also been in that position where I haven't taken enough profit, or I haven't taken profit fast enough, and therefore, you know, I've seen that come back down as well. So, you know, lessons learned. Obviously, I'm sure there was a lot of you guys that also, you know, followed that same kind of event in the last bull run. So what we're looking to do now is obviously not make those same mistakes. So all my buying is going to be done up front, and all my selling is literally going to be done once the Bitcoin halving takes place. I'm not looking to buy anything from that point onwards. Instead, that's when I'm going to be trying to, or definitely exit in and DCA in out of the market a couple of months after the Bitcoin halving. So 2025, you should potentially have like the full blown bull run. So you want to be kind of all out by 2025, and that's kind of the logic that I'm going to stick to. So that's a quick kind of overview of how I'm looking to play the market and what I'm doing right now, considering that the market is pretty boring and dead, and it's not really moving much, to be honest. So it's kind of going sideways, which is good for me because I'm just, as I was saying, accumulating on these projects that I really believe in. And obviously, guys, if you are accumulating and DCAing, then make sure you're doing your research on projects that you're looking to invest in. And then, as I was saying, as that halving date hits, no buying, literally just skimming profits off the table, kind of month on month, and looking to make that exit. And then hopefully the cycle then repeats itself again, and you get a great opportunity to return into the crypto cycle come the next the bear market. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found that useful. Let me know what your guys' strategies are. I mean, hit me up on the comments below. Let me know how you're playing the markets right now and what your strategy is looking forwards as well, because for me it's always crucial that you try to obviously look ahead and have some strategy that you look to follow, or you'll end up in the same boat where you see your portfolio go up and then come crashing down again. So guys, yeah, hit me up, let me know what your strategy is, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.